up? Welcome to noprosrc, and today we're going to be unboxing from my POV. We're going to do a POV unboxing of this Traxxas Ford GT. Let's crack this thing open. Now what I'm not going to do is run this car with the purple cover. I'm actually going to purchase a separate cover. Now, looking online to get another car, Ford GT that is, will cost $110. Yeah, $110 just for this cover. So that's expensive. So you guys may have to wait for the actual run of this video, but hey, at least you get the unboxing. So baby steps, right? $110 just for the car cover. And here we go. I am opening this for the first time. Okay. And obviously that's the controller right here, which I'm really not gonna unbox right now because I'm not gonna be utilizing it. So, but as you can see, you can get a glimpse of that purple right there. You can see it from the rear there. That is just freaking awesome. I'm a Ford GT owner, guys. I mean, oh my gosh, dreams do come true. Goals, right? But as you can, let me just take it out. I'm not gonna, let's just take it out. Man, as a Ravens fan, I'm loving this purple, and that is one more reason why I am not gonna run this cover. The car itself I will run, but the cover, no. So here we got instructions and tools and clips and yada yada yada. I ain't worried about that. You can get rid of that. And yeah, this is what we really want to see right here. Oh, it might be we got these wire ties on here. 2 wire ties on there. Pretty thick, but easy to cut. Got those right there, and just toss those right there. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna get my other camera and just get some really cool shots of this. This is really awesome. So there's no way I'm gonna put this on the road. I just do not want to ruin this cover. I actually saw on eBay another cover like this that was going for like same price, $100 some. But again, I just paid for this. I don't really want to spend that kind of money again. All right, so they got these in the clips, so let's get the clips off here. And oh man, it's like unwrapping a new car, except I never unwrapped a new car. Well, I am unwrapping a new car. I'm unwrapping a new RC car, but you get what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm just blabbing. Most of this probably won't make YouTube anyway, but just to get a glimpse of what's going on the inside. Right there, as you can see, this is where you plug the battery. That's that motor. Your easy set to program your receiver. Got these nice tires and wheels on here, really nice. But this right here, just put these clips over here for now. This is awesome. that color purple, the color purple. If you can turn it around and see, you got your dual exhaust right there. These lights, now I think you can get, if I'm not mistaken, you can get like some lights to make these tail lights light up in the back there. It's pretty awesome. Wow, I'm in awe at the detail of this. That just looks awesome. I mean, oh my goodness. That is really hot. That is hot. Getting in closer, you can kind of see like the metallics in the paint. Purple metallics. Yeah, this is, there's no way I'm putting this on the road. I'm sorry. I mean, as far as this cover right here, I'm not putting that on the, this will definitely go on the road, but I'm gonna get a cover, a burner cover, if you will. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. That's the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a fat thumbs up, and please, if you are new around here, hit that subscribe button for more unboxing and more noprosrc content. I will put the chassis on the road, but the body itself I will not. I have to find another body and run this, but yeah, stay tuned for that video depending on when I get a new body for it. But in the meantime, just enjoy these B-roll shots of this awesome purple Traxxas Ford GT. And until next time, y'all be easy. Peace.